In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on the Steam market. Whether you're looking to sell some extra inventory or just curious about how it all works, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, fire up your Steam app. If it's not already installed, head over to the official Steam website and download it. Once you have the app open on your desktop, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button right at the top, so go ahead and click it. Enter your account name and password, make sure your details are correct to avoid any hiccups. After you've done that, click on the sign in button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's been a while since you last visited. Notice the various tabs at the top. Keep your eyes on the Community tab because that's where we're headed next. Click on Community and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Market. The market is where all the buying, selling and trading action happens. In the top right corner, you'll see an option that says Sell an item. Click on this and it will take you to a page where you can browse through your inventory. This is where you'll pick the item or items you want to list on the market. Take your time to decide what you want to sell. Once you've chosen the item, click on it to proceed. Now comes the critical part, setting the price and quantity. It's important to price your item competitively while ensuring it's worth your time and effort. You might want to do a quick market check to see how similar items are priced. Once you've settled on a price, enter it along with the quantity if you are selling more than one. After you've filled out the price and quantity, the next step is to confirm your listing. Check all the details again before confirming. This is crucial to avoid any mistakes. When you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your listing. But wait, there's one more step before your item is live on the market. Steam will require you to confirm the listing through either your email or the Steam mobile app. Keep an eye on your inbox or the app notifications so you can approve the listing promptly. Once confirmed, congratulations, your item is now listed on the Steam market, ready for potential buyers. And that's it, you've successfully listed an item on the Steam market. Keep in mind, practice makes perfect. The more you use the market, the more familiar you'll become with its nuances. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.